Esri's ArcGIS product has massively supported our ability to be able to scale at pace and be able to, with our teams, work as one unified organisation, not just with fibre staff, but also our key delivery partners.
Digitising Galway's Graveyard Heritage Project was a perfect instrument for us in Galway County Council to show members of the Galway community the value of how we can make what might seem very mundane information very interesting.
ArcGIS allows us to provide much more real-time information to our clients that's easier to digest, it's easier to visualise, and it's easier to understand.
I've worked from the non-digital age through into the digital age and I've seen massive changes. It's made our work so much easier.
It's everybody working together as a team, as a mehel, to create this wonderful gift, which is the digitisation of the graveyards of the county.
Without ArcGIS, we wouldn't have won Project Stratum, the £200 million contract to roll out broadband in Northern Ireland, and we wouldn't have got our investors on board.
I think my favourite aspect about the GIS applications has to be the fact that it's made the data so accessible for the whole team.
The Peatland Climate Action Scheme hopes to rehabilitate over 30,000 hectares over a 5-year span. This will help store carbon in the peatlands, helping the climate change going forward and help achieve a carbon zero future.
It might surprise some people to learn that over 325,000 Irish adults like to go fishing. It's equally important to record the fish that are caught by the people who don't fish very often as by the avid anglers who are fishing every weekend. All of that data will go into getting a better picture of what's going on with our stocks in the Irish seas.
The more you know about your fishing, the more you can document. It also gives them a role, if you like, of stewards of the sea, in that they're observant, they're documenting information, and it allows us then to capture their information for processing into a reporting format nationally and also to Europe for fisheries management.
The app allows us to record visually what we're doing, where we're doing it. It's just that visual cue for pupils to see their work being up on the big screen. It's the reward of saying, we did that, we collected 4 bags, we're making a difference.